Spring on the S&C.
The horse is cold. One with the force is with me. And one with the force is with me. One with the force is with me. Sure, if we're avoiding fields, I can't really think of any bridge shots on. Apart from the canal. Canals would be safe. Canal shot. We've got the 37s. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, go on then. I got an orange. Oh yeah. We were early for that, so we're chasing orange down the canal. Yeah. Another busy day. Yeah. 37s are orange. 37s are orange. I'm trying to get a perfect orange reflection shot here. I don't care. Yeah, I'm on Canal Rapids now. Yeah. Yeah, they must have cleared it. Yeah. Oh, he's gone through here at 100, hasn't he? Yeah. Flooded it, yeah. There's a Ford. That is poor parking. Oh, it's him. What's the poor parking? So, you don't like poor parking? No, it's poor parking. Oh! Who the f*** Paul Parker was? Paul Parker used to play for United. I thought you was another one. Where the hell is he getting all that water from?
Bleeding hell.
I'm sure he just had a hose pipe on the front of his car. I always wondered how that deploys. It's like the fifth car of London. It's like, where does it come out of? It doesn't come out of there as like a slot train, like a. There's no gap or anything.
Just
It can't, can it? There's no hinge.
we're not testing it.
Oh.
No, stop it!
Well, they're out of it. On the Fiesta ST.
I would go that way. I think it's safer.
Yeah, I'm not going through that.
No.
I'll let him pass first though, because he needs his momentum. Just see this go through. He don't give a shit, does he? Look at that. Want? It has tea making facilities. Oh,
Oh, are we getting through that?
no. Because I'm not a tractor. That's deep, isn't it?
It is deep. Yes.
I'm not being a statistic. You. It says driving into a hedge. Okay. Uh-oh. Come on, you bitch. This is why I don't go drive onto things. Yeah. Spin it. One more. No. You nearly did that on your own.
Tell me about it.
It smells like shit.
Oh.
Wow.
Oh, shit.
Every airbag.
Oh dear. That doesn't look good.
You might have to.
I don't want it. How deep do you reckon that is?
No.
It is the only option though, isn't it really?
Yeah.
Okay.
I've got a second. I'll wave.
Take a spleen,
I'll
everybody.
wave. Oh, it's fine. It's fine. I thought it was deep.
Turn left onto
That's the
A6.
closest thing to a wash she's had in a month. What the? Okay. Not that that hit us. That was a heron that didn't know what wind was.
Yeah. That would have been game over. That would be game over. You would never know how to explain that to the insurance.
Because he probably would have taken the dash cam out on the way in. Did it get darker as we went into North York?
Yeah.
Oh, paying for bloody daylight. You want Starbucks for sunlight? Bugger off.
Yeah.
Hey,
Oh.
yo. That was big.
That was big.
That was a pebble or a potato, I couldn't say.
I'm going to say a chunk of dry stone wall.
Oh, could have been. You know what I should have done? I should check that tyre before I set off.
I feel like it's flooded.
Hello, Farmgate. You'll do. Right.
So, is it flat?
It's not flat. It's going down.
Right.
You check the pressure gauge. Might just be able to re-inflate it again.
Has it got a slope on it?
Oh God. Well, I don't think that stone's helped.
No, but I dare say it has.
I'll see if it re-inflates.
Yeah. There's another train.
You what?
There's another train.
Oh, yeah.
6. Do you know what it won't be? A donkey.
Maybe the black one.
There you go. Oh.
So that's Carlisle 2 Blackpool, isn't it?
Yeah.
No way.
It's this time. Was it about 7:20 or something like that?
Right.
Whoa.
What?
That was a new noise. Yeah, I hear a growl on it.
That is 1880. That is the Leeds to Carlisle.
Okay.